everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Mzini from the 13th to the 17th of July 2026 on Monday. Duduzile corners Zakhele with a loaded gun and a lifetime of rage. Mzini, Rorisang and Lerato tension finally explodes in front of everyone on Tuesday. Shaka fears Duduzile may expose the long buried Loanto secret after she disappears into the night. But when Duduzile arrives at the Motise house, will she finally confesses, or will the truth remain buried on Wednesday? Shockwaves ripple through the Nkosi family when police suddenly arrive at Shaga's apartment, leaving Duduzile and Shaga blindsided as tension erupts on Thursday. Duduzile asks Zakhele her life-changing question that could change the course of their future. Lerato is determined to uncover who posted the fight video and is willing to go to any length to find the culprits on Friday. Zakhele shuts Duduzile down only to make a shocking reversal that could change everything. Oratire begins to doubt the podcast after being sidelined on her very first episode. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.